Ahoy, treasure seekers. The seas of the E-mini S&P 500 futures has been pillaging profits from some and rewarding others. Off the waves, the last 5 hours. First filling our booty chests, then seeing the tide turn on us. Batten down the hatches as we chart a course through these choppy waters. Let's jump right into it. Key, buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area, high, VAH, 6,921, the top of the mainmast. If the wind blows us above this, we are sailing for open waters. Value area low, VAL, 6,894, the waterline of the hull. Breach this, and the ship starts taking on water toward the abyss. Point of control, POC, 6,906, the captain's cabin where most of the crew has been drinking rum and counting coins for the last session. Support zone, 6,894 to 6,900, a sturdy sandbar where the anchor usually holds firm against the tide. Resistance zone, 6,921 to 6,935, a jagged coral reef that has been smashing hulls all morning. Single prints escape paths, lower, 6,856 to 6,860, a hidden sea cave where few sailors dare to tread. Expect a quick scramble if we fall in. Upper, 6,935 to 6,936, a narrow strait that leads to the fabled 7,000 islands if breached. Market context. The current chart looks like a map to a sunken ship. We have seen a steady drift into deeper waters over the last few days, with the crew's morale, CVD, sinking faster than a treasure chest tossed overboard. The price is currently bobbing around the POC like a piece of driftwood after a storm. It is a balancing act on a rickety plank. The bears have the cutlasses, but the bulls are trying to climb back up the rigging. 3-day voyage through the treacherous seas. Day 3, February 3rd, POC 7,016, high 7,027, low 6,886, the golden age before the storm hit the fleet. Day 2, February 4th, POC 6,945, high 6,966, low 6,863. The mast snapped and the value area drifted south like a ghost ship. Day 1, February 5th, POC 6,906, high 6,935, low 6,856. The crew is exhausted and huddling near the lower decks. The value has been migrating lower for 3 sessions, showing a clear bearish current. Acceptance above the current VAH would be a signal that the mutiny is over, while a failure at VAL suggests we are heading for Davy Jones's locker. Volume analysis. Cumulative, volume, delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open, CVD, 626 contracts. The morning began with a few optimistic sailors whistling a tune. Intraday peak, buying. CVD climbed to 5,022. A brief moment where it looked like we found a favorable wind. Current CVD, negative 16,980. Net negative 17,606 from open, meaning the crew has completely abandoned ship and is jumping into the sea. Intraday low, CVD low, negative 22,664, a total catastrophe where the sell-side pressure was heavy enough to sink a galleon. Interpretation. Aggressive sell-side delta is dominating the deck. Any attempt to sail higher will face a barrage of cannon fire from the bears until the CVD starts to trend upward. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, near VAL, 6,894 to 6,900. Stop loss, below the single print floor at approximately 6,852, 4 ticks below the low, or use ATR of 12 points below entry. Profit target, initial target at POC, 6,906. Major target at VAH, 6,921. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of VAH, 6,921 to 6,935, or a clean break below VAL. Stop loss. Above the VAH single print ceiling at approximately 6,937, or ATR above entry. Profit target, POC for the first chest of gold, then VAL. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per raid, equalized by stop distance. Move the stop to the galley. Break even after the first target is plundered. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above VAH. The crew finds their courage and storms the upper decks at 6,921. Setup. Enter long above 6,921 with stop at 6,906 POC. Target 6,950 for a recovery cruise. Scenario B. Rejection at VAH. The sharks attack at the 6,921 reef and push the ship back down. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,936. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The hull snaps at 6,894 and we sink toward the single prints. Setup. Short a break below 6,894. Stop above 6,905. Recent swing high. Target 6,860 single print area. Scenario D. Value bounce. The anchor holds at 6,894 and we find a hidden current. Setup. Long at 6,894. Stop at 6,885. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.